Hi everyone, welcome to another Smooth as Butter video. In this video, we'll take a look at templates, Butter templates to be specific. Now, this is a great addition to Butter because as a user, privately in my account, I can create different sort of items in the toolbox like, flashcards, like polls, like other icebreakers and other activities. That's great for my use. But what I also want to do is be able to distribute these to others so that other people using Butter can also use these items from the toolbox and just spice up their Butter meetings, their Butter sessions. In this video, we'll take a look at the templates that other people have created for us to use. And so to do that, once you log into Butter, your Butter account, click on templates. And here you'll be able to find all the templates that other people have created. And now this includes things like just background music. So you can see this is just a creative background flow. So you can put this in, start the playlist, and then just put that in the background so that music will just flow throughout. Or you can have some other agenda items as well. So like if I click on this, you can see that this is a client check-in agenda. It already includes a bunch of these things that are already pre-planned and so on and so forth. So these are already a bunch of different templates available, and here you can filter it by the template type. As you can see, this poll, music player, flashcards, block. So these are just individual items in your toolbox. And then there's agenda itself, which is just a collection of individual items. So it's already packed. Your meeting can already be reused. So the whole template can be reused. And so all you need to do is you just basically click on the one that you like, read through the instructions, and if you can also preview, the template over here. And then if you like it, you can just either add it to your library. So it adds a copy of it, or it installs it to your library, which now you just have access to it anytime in the future. And then you can just click on, use flashcards if you just require it right away. And I can just add it to one of the room. Let's say if I add it to this room, for example, this tool has now been imported. And so what I can do then is I can go to the room and I can start the room. Now, once I have started the session, I can see in my toolbox that the flashcards draw is already available. And then all I have to do is just click on it to start the session, start the activity in my Butter meeting. And this is great because you can just install it and then have it ready in your toolbox. And then anytime you need it, it'll already be available. Now, instead of installing the template to a specific room, if you have installed it or if you have added the template to your library, what it does is it copies the template to your personal library. And to access that, you don't need to go to the toolbox, but instead you can go to templates and you can go to your personal account here. And then you can see all the templates that either you have created or you have just installed from the template library. So once you have done that, it'll be available here. And then from here, now you can just click on add to toolbox. Now then that template gets added to the toolbox for this specific row. And then you can click on it to start the activity. And as you might imagine, you can also click on templates again to search for templates from the template library. And then from here, you can just click on whichever you like and either add it to the toolbox or you can just start it now. So if you add it to the toolbox, it goes here and then you can just start it whenever you feel ready. Now, if you click on templates, and then you obviously also have your workspace templates. So this is templates that you have created or someone else in your workspace has created for members of your workspace. So that is sort of like a restricted ability to share your templates for all members in your workspace. So that's what you'll find over here. Now, in another video, we'll also take a look at creating these templates and then making it available to your workspace and also to the Butter template gallery. Now, the Butter templates are also available on this public page here, templates.butter.us. Again, it has the same user experience. You can just find the templates by searching or by filtering over here. That was it for this video. Do leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. And of course, do like, share this video with the network, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because that helps a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.